This here is a multimeter, and there are many different ones around the market, and they might look different, but they all have the same function. Okay, so today in school we have this brand right here, and as you can see, we currently have it off. This one, it says COM, it means common, and right here is V for voltage, MA for milliamp, and that little omega button, that omega symbol, that is ohm. All right. So in order to test the voltage of your solar panel, or maybe a battery, what we have to do is go ahead and use the red probe and plug it in this one right here. And the black is the negative, or the ground. So we go ahead and put it in the black. Now on the other end, you have two probes. One is red and one is black. And now we can go ahead and turn it on. And right here's ohm, and here's voltage and voltage. But we want direct current. So this little symbol at the bottom, that's direct current. So because we know a battery, these AAAs, the AAA is a 1.5 volt, and this is a 9-volt battery. So we know it is, for example, for this one, it is under 2 volts. As you can see right here, 2 volts, 20 volts, 200 volts, 1000 volts. So we want to make sure it is the lowest, closest to the battery. Now, we know from here, you can see it says plus and minus. So we know plus is, or we know minus is always black. Okay? So negative is always black. And we'll just hold it like a pair of chopsticks. Just like that. All right. Now we can go ahead and touch it. And now you can see it says 1.582. Okay. Now, when we want to measure this 9-volt battery, we go ahead and turn it to 20. And then we look right here. It will tell you this is positive and this is negative. So in other words, I'll have to stick it in like this. See, what does it say? 9.21. So this is a 9-volt battery. What we want to do is to test out our solar panel. And it might be a little difficult to touch it. At the same time, I'm going to have a light because right now it's not that bright. Okay, so we can't know exactly what is the voltage. So what we can do is we can use some alligator clips. Go ahead and just attach it, see? And then use the black one. Now, let's flip it over. Oh, it does say positive and negative. So we go ahead and attach it, negative to the black. And positive. Now we flip it around. All right, so we'll leave it at about 20 and see what happens. And as you can see right now, it's only 0.19 or 0.20 around there volts. So it's not giving out a lot of power. So what we can do, what I'm going to do is I will turn on this bright light right here, this LED light, and see what happens. And as you can see, the voltage is getting higher and higher. Okay, so it's about 1 volt. That's all it is giving out, 1.05.